built our home with bleeding hands. Let it break with love and plans. You were my life, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your love, sir, lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You were your cat, I fix your line. I watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind. But now you're gone, and so is dying. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the ground. Even pain begins to name, but love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't want much, just one more day to hear your call, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on the stage, old and tired and full of pain. Not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same.